Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to buy an iPhone from an Apple store online. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, on your PC, laptop or even mobile device, open up any web browser and head over to apple.com. Once you're here, choose your location. So I'm in Australia, so I'm going to click on continue. And from here, click on iPhone. And then scroll down a bit. You got all these different options here. So if you want an iPhone Pro 15, 14, SE, just choose which one. For this demonstration, I'm going to go the iPhone 15. Click on buy. And now you'll get more options here. So obviously I've got the iPhone 15 for $1,500. I'm going to pick my color. I'm going to choose black, gigabytes, 512. Apple trade-in, get 60 to 1,161 credits towards your new iPhone. So I'm going to click on no trade-in, but if you do, select an iPhone. And then from here, scroll down. iPhone 15 512 gigabytes in black is priced at $2,049 Australian. So I'm going to go ahead and add that to bag. You might have more options here. Add a MagSafe case, wallet, or both. Add some chargers and all that stuff there. Some AirPods if you want AirPods. But I'm just going to click on review bag. I only want the iPhone. Now I'm going to click on checkout. Continue as guest. And then I can choose I'd like it delivered or I'll pick it up. So I'm going to choose I'll pick it up. As you can see, my order's $9,000, which isn't quite right. So I'm going to edit my bag. Scroll down here. I've got some MacBooks in here, so I'm going to go ahead and remove these. And then click on checkout. Continue as guest. Choose I'd pick it up again. And because I'm in Adelaide, I'm going to pick it up from Apple Rundle Place. But in your case, it will be different depending on your location. If you want to pick it up in store, gives you the times. And then click on continue to pick up details. And then now fill in your pickup information. So we'll pick up your order. So if it's you, fill out this form, or someone else, fill out their details. But it's going to be me for this demonstration. And then click on continue to payment. And that's where you put in all your payment information, credit card information, and all that stuff. And then once that is done, you can go ahead and pick up your new iPhone. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. How to buy an iPhone from an Apple store online. Thanks for watching this tutorial to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.